Okay, so we here with.
Jaquan.
Okay, so we're gonna be asking Jaquan a few questions. So push the button. Push the button. Okay. So what you gonna pick, girl or boy?
What you mean?
Girl or boy? Just pick a girl or a boy.
Girl.
All right. So what you gonna? You gotta kiss, marry, be gay, or kill a girl. So what you gonna do?
I don't want to kiss no girl.
So what you gonna do? Be gay, kill, or marry?
Kill.
All right, you gonna kill. Pick a number 1 through 10.
6.
6. He gonna kill Kashmir.
Alright, y'all, so we here with
Zaria.
and today we finna do the push challenge. So push the button. You open it now. Girl or boy?
Girl.
Girl. Hold on. Would you kiss, marry, be gay, or kill a girl? Which one?
Kiss. No. Kill a girl.
Okay, wait. Pick a number 1 through 10.
8.
You'll kill Tata.
Who's that?
Tatiana.
Okay, so we here with Jayla. Okay, so we're gonna be asking Jayla a few questions. Push the button. All right, so pick girl or boy. A girl. All right. So, would you rather kiss, marry, be gay, or kill a girl?
Kiss.
Okay, so you gotta pick a number 1 through 10.
5.
5. She gonna kiss Lil Wonder.
Okay, y'all, so we with
Bacteria.
and today we finna do the push. So push the button. Girl or boy?
Boy.
Kiss, marry, axe out, or kill a boy? Which one?
Kill.
Kill the one? Okay. Hold on. Pick a number 1 through 10.
7.
She's gonna kill Taiwan. Okay, y'all, so we with
Shamaria.
and today we finna do the push out. So push the button. Alright, so girl or boy?
Boy.
Kiss, marry, axe out, or kill a boy? Which one?
Axe out.
Alright.
Marry. Kill.
So you said
Kill. I said
You
kill.
said axe out. Alright, so 1 to 10.
0.
Okay, 1 to 10.
2.
You gotta act like Keyshawn. Alright, y'all, so we here with.
Shazan.
Alright, so push the button. Girl or boy?
Girl.
Alright. Kiss, marry, axe out, or kill what you said, boy or girl? You gotta kiss, marry, be gay, or axe out or girl.
Axe out.
Axe out? Okay. Pick a number between pick a number 1 through 10.
6.
6. You said kiss? You gotta kiss.
No, I said axe out.
Oh, axe out Kashmir. Alright, y'all, so we with.
Big Daddy Dick.
Okay, so you finna do the push challenge. Push the button. Girl or boy?
Girl.
Kiss, marry, axe out, or kill a girl. Which one?
Mary.
Marry. Alright.
Hello.
Pick a number 1 through 10.
7.
You gonna marry Mari. That's the 8th grade.
Hell no.
Okay, so we here with Amarion. Alright, so push the button. Alright, pick a girl or a boy.
Girl.
So you gonna kiss, be gay for her, or kill or marry a girl?
Kiss.
Alright. Pick a number 1 through 10. 7. He gonna kiss Mari.
Alright, y'all, so we here with.
Keep on.
Alright, so push the button. Girl or boy?
Girl.
Kiss, marry, axe out, or kill a girl. Which one?
Fuck.
Alright. Kiss. Alright. Pick the number 1 through 10.
5.
You kissing LaWanda.
I won't kiss her, but you know, I'll fuck her because got fat ass.
Alright, y'all, so we here with
Tatiana.
Alright, so push the button.
Yeah.
Girl or boy?
Boy.
Alright, kiss, marry, ask out, or kill a boy. Which one? Ask out or
Oh. Kiss.
kiss? Alright. Pick a number 1 through 10.
5.
You for that kiss Leroy.
Alright. You pick boy, right? Can't read the question. I already know this. But you gonna kiss, marry, be gay, or kill? Alright, pick a number